Okay, let's pack everything we have learned into the next 3 minutes. Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, and it works because of the world's first public blockchain network. Bitcoin lets you send and receive value using nothing more than a computer and an internet connection. Bitcoin is such a big deal because unlike every other tool for sending money over the internet, it works without the need to trust a middleman. It is revolutionary because it is the world's first public decentralized payment network, simply meaning it is publicly available to all and it is not owned and controlled by any single person or entity. Call it digital cash for short. Before Bitcoin, people were forced to turn to a private bank to make payments over long distances, introducing a bunch of fees, limitations, and weird personal questions like where did you get this money or why do you need to send so much? Of course, Bitcoin is not perfect. It is not yet accepted as payment everywhere, and as a store of value, it fluctuates a lot. But the mere fact that it works without a centralized entity like a bank or a government controlling it is enough to make it a financial revolution. Bitcoin is just the beginning. If we can replace the private banking payment systems, then we can also replace other important areas of human endeavor where private corporations and their corporate interests currently prevail. Unimaginable freedom from corporate and governmental control structures ensues. Many consider Bitcoin as just another simple investment, and that is fine by us. Just make sure you stick to reputable audited exchanges like Blocktrade.com. Do not engage in any interactions promising you free crypto or other unbelievably amazing deals in exchange for your password or other personal data. It is most likely a scam, as new types of scams pop up every day in the crypto space. Keep your investment style as simple as possible, investing regularly after bigger price drops and taking profits regularly after massive price rises. Historically, Bitcoin has been a great investment after 70 to 80% drops from previous all-time highs, giving thousands of percent profits after just a few years of holding. Of course, as time goes on, Bitcoin price becomes more stable, and it is the other, smaller cryptocurrencies that give the insane price swings. Popular ones being Ethereum, XRP, DOT, Litecoin, etc. The best investors are constant students of the market. My advice is to keep studying our courses and you will be able to invest with a winning plan while keeping a cool head and a calm heart.